This one's gonna be hard in 5 minutes. What'd you say? Oh, it's gonna happen for sure. Let's see. That would be 40, 44. So 544. At 544, you must discontinue the David. This is like, just by the way, like, this is a really good habit to force yourself to try to speed draw things very fast because it forces you to do sketches. It forces you to get comfortable with kind of like sloppiness in the beginning and then refining your sloppiness into beauty. So, one of the problems that I often see with students is they cannot finish projects because they get bogged down in making like trying to carefully make perfect decisions. And that's not how you draw, especially in Photoshop. That's not how you draw. The way that you draw in Photoshop is you quickly like make experiments. Every mark is a little experiment and you decide if you like it or not. And if you don't like it, then you either step back in time or erase the layer or do whatever you need to get rid of the mark. So just like, don't be afraid to make quick marks. Do what you got to do. And you can always figure stuff out or draw on top, or like, it's always just a process of what's right, what's wrong, fix what's wrong, keep what's right. Don't be afraid to like make quick marks. And actually what you learn, like one of the things that I learned after drawing for like many years is oftentimes my most flawed compositions are the most interesting to me. So drawing everything perfectly is kind of boring. And you really only develop your style when you sort of like learn what your natural flaws are, and then you learn how to essentially like use those flaws to your own advantage. So don't be afraid to make mistakes. Also, again, like if you get real comfortable with the hotkeys like B, E, brush, eraser, um, that's what you want to do. That's what Photoshop is the best for. Like doing things fast. Okay, we got 2 minutes. This is fun. Very challenging. Still got 2 minutes. One minute. Wrap it up. Last minute. These would be really fun to keep. We'll keep these. We'll save these. I'll be curious to see what people's look like. All right, that's it. Okay. Save this.